Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily update on Ripple and XRP. It's good to see you all again, and welcome to the channel as well, and welcome to the video as well if you're new. We'll talk about XRP, we'll talk about Ripple, we'll talk about the news, we'll talk about the technicals, we'll talk about the situation right now. So hopefully, in short, everything you need to know. Now, to start off this video, I think the situation we have right now is completely the same technically as we had yesterday. Fundamentally, I think the situation has turned a little bit more bullish. So I also drew a nice bullish arrow on the chart, but we'll talk about that. All right. But basically, to kind of summarize what I said yesterday, is yesterday on the 4-hour time frame, we already saw that XRP actually got a significant bullish breakout. All right, we broke above 50 cents here, and we hit the 382 fib, which is a very strong resistance level, and especially in market circumstances with quite a lot of uncertainty, a level like that's usually going to hold. All right, so what we had yesterday, and that's still the case right now, is that we're kind of stuck. All right, we're stuck between a very strong support level at 50 cents, big psychological level, strong technical level historically. And we're stuck between 52 cents, which is also a key level historically. And we have some strong technical resistance there. So that's the situation technically. Now, fundamentally, there's a little bit less uncertainty than yesterday, all right? And that's the good thing. There's also, I mean, when we talk about Ripple and the SEC specifically, there's also some sort of a meeting Thursday, August the 8th, about a potential settlement. Look, at some point of time, one of these closed meetings is going to be about Ripple, but I think we've had like 3 of these meetings in the last couple of weeks, and never it turned into anything. So we can speculate on what this is, etc. But I refuse to do that. All right, I know what I expect if we actually do get a settlement, and I do think it matters, right? Because what we had overnight, and yesterday already, is that the stock markets are recovering a bit here, so that's good. All right, less uncertainty, less fear in the markets. I also almost have to sneeze. Excuse me. So that's good. There's also some sort of resolve of tension in the Middle East, which is also good. And then lastly, there was also the news from the Bank of Japan that they would not hike interest rates again. So that all is bullish for the capital markets. So that alleviates kind of the uncertainty around XRP. And then, and I've said this before, the situation that caused XRP to rally like this initially is still the situation right now, right? So we have the potential to do something like this again. Because a big part of this move we had right here was the speculation that we would see a settlement between the Ripple and the SEC. And if there's no external pressure coming from war tension, from recession fears, then why not speculate on that again? All right, so that's why I think for XRP, the reduced uncertainty is very bullish. Now, I still think, technically, we are waiting for a breakout. All right, we're waiting for a breakout between 52 cents to break, or 50 cents to break, and that is still the situation. And I don't think you need to act any differently, but I do think if we're talking about probabilities, I think it is more likely now that we break above 52 cents and that will rally into 55 and 57 cents initially, than it is that we get a bearish breakout. It's still a possibility, and that's why I'm telling you, wait for the breakout. Don't try to, well, you can speculate, of course, but that's up to you. But wait for the breakout, and then and then we'll see. All right, and then I will also position myself. At this moment, there's not a lot of momentum coming in for XRP. Like this short-term bullish momentum we see is as much shorts closing as it is longs opening. So I don't think we see that same speculation we saw right here. But I do think we have the potential to do that. I have my price alert set. I have my plan. I have my setups planned. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.